guys, right now we are entering Reykjavik Iceland. As you can see, it is a very beautiful city. It is the capital.
Iceland in the middle of winter may not be everyone's choice. We at Wild Family Travel landed in Iceland in the middle of a winter blizzard where the snow was coming in vertical. Winter's a good choice if you're looking for a less crowded and slower experience. It's only daylight in Iceland for about 4 hours a day in January when we were there. Okay, so we're at one of the most iconic sites in Reykjavik. This church is amazing. Okay, we're just out of Reykjavik. This here is actually where the President of Iceland lives when he's home. He's not home at the moment because his flag is not flying, but it's beautiful. This house in the mid-80s hosted a meeting between Ronald Reagan and Mikhail Gorbachev during the Cold War times, so it's a very famous house in Reykjavik. Did you see any deadly sneaker waves?
Yes.
What about you, Molly?
Yes.
Any deadly sneaker waves?
Yes, one nearly came on in Mum.
Mum nearly got deadly sneaker wave, did she?
No. No.
Yes, she did. I saw it. I was her little back, guys. I didn't really have
Hi, it's Willow from Wild Family Travel. One of the best experiences I've had in Iceland was watching the sunrise from the misty waters of the Blue Lagoon. It was a special experience with my family and I will never forget it. Hi, it's Willow.
And Mark from Wild Family Travel. If you like our videos,
Please hit the subscribe button down below.